What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today we are returning with another banger for you all to enjoy. We are making some air-fried hot honey garlic chicken wings, baby. These are jam-packed with so much flavor as always, yet so easy to make. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done, so we're not about to waste any time and get right on into it. So let's get started. We have ourselves about 2.5 pounds of some chicken wings. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil on them, and you know we got to give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And on the screen I have listed all this seasoning you need to make sure your chicken is well seasoned up, oh so proper, and you know they will be listed in the description box as always. So go ham, go crazy, be very generous and deliberate, and season that chicken like your life depends on it, baby. Once that's taken care of, we're gonna toss them right in the air fryer. If you're interested in this particular model, there's a link in the description box that says My Amazon Storefront. It has every single kitchen appliance as well as more that I use on a day-to-day basis, so make sure you check that out. We're gonna air fry these at about 375 for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. You do wanna flip them halfway through the cooking process so both sides get nice and crispy. Moving on, we gotta get that sauce going. I got about a tablespoon of some unsalted butter going in the pan. Heat is to about a medium, and we're gonna toss in a little bit of minced garlic as well. Let that go, let that aroma hit the air. And we're gonna toss in some hot sauce as well as some honey as well. And I know you guys are gonna ask, what hot sauce am I using? You guys always want to know. Louisiana hot sauce is one of my favorites and definitely my go-to in the kitchen. You want to let this come up to a simmer, toss in a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and your sauce is pretty much ready to go. So now our chicken is pretty much done, ready to come out of that air fryer. And wow, it is looking so good. Look at that color on that chicken. If it ain't looking like this, I don't want it. So go ahead and toss all of your chicken wings into a mixing bowl so we could get them sauced up. Yes, I can't wait for you guys to try this one. This is definitely a banger. You're gonna want to try this again and again. I'm letting you know right now. Here comes that delicious sauce over the top, bathing that chicken right there, looking so delicious. You want to go ahead and give this a toss just like so, making sure every single one of your chicken wings are well coated up. And you know we gotta give them a try, and I have a special guest with me, Mrs. Island Vibe Cooking. My wife is gonna try this as well. Should be some fun. All right, we are looking good, smelling good as always, and I have a special guest with me, Mrs. Island Vibe Cooking. She's gonna give these bad boys a try with me, right?
Yes, I'm gonna see if they're good.
You know they're good. Come on now.
They're smelling good. It's smelling amazing.
How they looking so far though?
It looks so good right now.
Looks so good?
Yeah.
Which one you going for, the flat or the drum?
The flat.
The flat?
You already know.
Go ahead. I'm gonna let you do the honors first.
I'm gonna try this one.
Okay. I was gonna grab that one, but that's okay. I'm gonna grab the one right next to it.
Okay.
We got a cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Give it a try. So good. So good. It's just balanced, so easy, so good.
Yes. Like she said, these are a 10 out of 10. Must try again and again and again and again. It is that flavorful, that good.
So good.
Hitting on all levels, baby. Everything just comes together so well.
I'm trying not to eat too much on camera,
it's
but
that
I'm
delicious. We might have to turn off the camera, take a break.
And come back.
They are that good. I want to finish the whole plate. Come on now.
Yeah, it's
they
really
are
good.
banging.
You guys gotta try it.
I want to thank you all for watching today's video. Make sure you hit me with a like to let YouTube know you're loving the content. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video, as well as what you want to see next in a future video. Subscribe, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video, and make sure, of course, you check out Island Vibe Cooking on YouTube, and you can check out her show on Fox Soul. It is on Wednesdays, 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, 3:30 Pacific. And again, on Fox Soul, it is a free streaming app. Make sure you check it out every Wednesday, 6:30 Eastern, 3:30 Pacific.
Yep.
And don't forget, I'm a realtor in the state of Florida. If you're looking to buy, sell, rent, holla at your boy. I'll leave my contact info below. Again, thank you all for watching. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm gonna eat.